What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about Bitconnect. So I'm going to get logged in here. I have two-factor authentication set up. I suggest that you do the same. So let me get that up. Alright. There we go. And then I'll show you. Right now I have $140 invested. I started with around 120, I believe. And then total earned so far, I've been on the platform for around 26 days. So I've earned $30.54 in that little amount of time. And I'll show you my transactions. So if I go over here to lending wallet, so let's start on page 3. So I started with $120. Then each day I made interest on that with their lending program. And then let's see, keep going. Then made a little bit more interest and then reinvested some. And then more interest every day I get paid out. And then again I built up $10. You have to reinvest in $10 increments. So that's why I don't reinvest every single day. So then I reinvested again. And then we go to this one, paid out every day. Then up towards the top, this is today. So I got paid out 0.97% of my active investment. And then I'll go over here. I'll show you this. So the interest you get paid out is based on their volatility software. So if you see here, you have 6 days, and these ones were already applied, and then this last one is an estimate. So once that finalizes, depending on what the estimate is at that point, that'll be what the interest will be for tomorrow. And then they also have this projected earnings calculator. So for example, let's do my 140 active investment, and then the 30-day average has been 0.81% payout every day. So let's say I keep that in there for 299 days, which is when you get your capital released. Let's calculate that. So from $140, I would have profited $339.07. So that's a 242.19% ROI. And then the profit with principal is right here, is when you get your capital back, and that is added into your profit. So total from $140, I would have technically made $479. And so tomorrow looks like a good payout. You have a few low days here and there, but this is all based on the volatility of Bitcoin. So it all just depends, but you're getting paid out every single day, and the average usually is almost always 0.8 and up. So usually you get paid out like 1% a day on average. And then we'll go back over here. So right now I have 1056 in my lending wallet. So I'm going to do a quick reinvestment right here. And then, so I'll do my accrued profit, and then all of that, and then leftover amount, all of that. And then what it does is, since it only does $10 increments, me putting all of that in there, it'll pay that, and then it'll give me this leftover amount back. So the total is $10, and then I'll go ahead and hit reinvest, and then confirm, and then close. And then my total investment is $150 now. And then that total earned right here, that's going to be even more every single day because I have that much more invested into the platform. And I have a specific strategy for this. It's the 60-60 rule. I'll go more into that in another video, just because it'll take a little while to explain, and I'll use a spreadsheet to explain it, which I don't have readily available right now. But that's about it for today. And then if you want to see anything special or you want to request anything, leave a comment down below. And then give this video a like and subscribe to keep posted on everything I'm doing and learn more about cryptocurrency and how you can make money through cryptocurrency. And have a nice day, guys.